Today we are going to be making DIY matcha powder out of green tea leaves. To start out, we need about an ounce of green tea loose leaf. I got mine at my local health food store for just a few dollars. We are going to pulverize the leaves in a blender until it's a fine powder. This will take a minute or two, depending on the power of your blender. Once it's finished, the powderized leaves are still going to be a bit coarser than desired. So we are going to run them through a strainer to remove any larger pieces. The finer the powder, the better the end result. Matcha is traditionally made with green tea leaves that are shaded for the end of the growing process. They are then harvested and ground into a fine powder. We are doing the same thing except with regular tea leaves. This does lead to a bit stronger tasting tea. Regardless, a cup of matcha tea is about 10 times the potency of a normal cup of green tea, meaning that all of its amazing health benefits are way stronger. If you want to learn all about the science of why green tea is good for you, there's a link in the description and on screen to a great video on the subject. Matcha powder can be added to all kinds of stuff for a great green tea flavor. Personally, I like to throw a little in with a shake or smoothie. Once you have sifted it nice and fine, it's ready to go. It's just that easy. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.